Good afternoon, sir.
So, what is today's date? 02/17 means, remember, how many days are left for your SE? Right? Boishak already gone? Now, Jestha is also about to complete. Then Ashad, Shravan, Bhadra, Dasai, Tihar, Chhat, pre-board, send-up, Ketaj and Ketage, SE. Yes, sir. Very easy and simple technique. Okay, so Sunday means presentation day. So we are going to observe one presentation from grade 10, Sushant Phuyal. And he must have his friend, but his friend Master Sumit Sunar is absent. So today's solo presentator, none other than Sushant Phuyal. Welcome in.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to all. This is Sushant from grade 10. I am here to present some slides of chapter Honeybee of class 10. Presentation starts. Contents. There are some contents. Introduction to honeybee, honeybee and its types, life cycle of honeybee, economic importance of honeybee. Honeybee are social insects that tend to live in a colony. They tend to live in a colony. In honeybee, in a hive there are up to 80,000 of honeybees, and they are always busy in their work. Yes, sir. They coordinate with each other to perform the work. What is this? Classification. Honeybee are also divided into its kingdom, phylum, subphylum, genus and species. And its class is Insecta, genus is Apis, and where is this species? Next slide. Honeybee are divided into three types. Queen bee are the largest bee in a single hive. In a single hive there is only one queen bee. Queen bee are mainly produced for the reproduction of babies or worker bees in a single hive. And honeybees size lies up to 12 millimeter, and its body parts are divided into three parts: abdomen, head, thorax, and abdomen. Where is the size of queen bee is comparatively larger than the other bees. The function of this type bees is to lay eggs. I have already said before. Queen bees are mainly used for the reproduction of babies, as it lay eggs more than minimum up to maximum up to 3,000 and in a single day. Eggs are also divided into fertilized and infertilized eggs. Yes, sir. Okay. It contains both fertilized and infertilized eggs. From the infertilized egg, drone bees are produced, and drone bees are the most laziest bee in the hive. Drone bee. I have already said drone or male bees are the largest bees, and it is smaller than queen bee, but it is larger than worker bee. They are the most largest bee in the hive, and they exist solely to fertilize the queen bee. Drone bees live for more than up to 6 months. In the time they have to mate with the queen bee to fertilize the egg. The worker bees are most smallest bees in a single hive. They are sterile females, and their number is 20,000 to 80,000 in a hive. They are the smallest bees having powerful wings. As I already said before, worker bees are most busiest bee in the hive, because they have to collect the nectar from the flowers. Life cycle of honeybee. The life cycle of honeybee goes through 4 stages: eggs, larva, pupa, and adult. Eggs. A queen bee is the only bee which lays about 300 pinhead size eggs in a single day. The egg takes 3 days to hatch into larva. A queen bee, which is also known as the largest bee or female bee in the society, it lays eggs about 3,000 eggs in a day, in a pin-sized egg, like a rice one, that you know. And egg is also categorized into 2 types: fertilized egg and infertilized egg. From the fertilized egg, it forms queen or worker bee, and infertilized egg drone bee. For the fertilized egg, the bee breed or
We will come in another one.
okay, sir. Yes, larva. The second stage of life cycle of honeybee. The newly hatched larva are white, microscopic in size, without legs and eyes. Larva. It is the second stage of the life cycle of honeybee. After 3 days, the larva eggs are hatched into larva. The worker or nurse bees produce a proteinous secretion called royal jelly from their glands and feed to larva to their 2-3 days. Oh. Now pupa. In the pupa stage, the bees begins to develop in the legs, eyes, and wings. The process is called osteogenesis. Oh yes. Oh my god. Osteogenesis. The pupa take a different time duration to change into adult bees. Adult bee. What is this? All 3 types of bees are now fully grown. They are ready to accomplish with their tasks. After 21 days, the eggs, larvae, and the pupa are formed as a adult bee in a society, and they are ready to perform their tasks in a society. Bee swarming. Bee swarming is a natural event that occurs when a body colony becomes too crowded, usually in spring or summer where there is ample nectar. Bee swarming is the process of bee swarming is also defined as the new queen bee after leaving its society to another society of honeybee. When there are two swarming event, features of drone worker and queen bee. Size drone bee are smaller than queen bee but larger than worker bee. Worker bee are most smaller size. Worker bee are smaller size got smaller size. Queen bee are the most larger bees in the society. Lifespan. Drone bees lives about 2 months to 6 months. Worker bees about 42 to 180 days, and queen bee about 2 to 5 years. No more in a hive means the population of bees in a single hive. Drone bees are about up to 500, and worker bees, as I already said, worker bees lives 20 to 80,000 in a single hive, and queen bee only one. Fertility. Drone bee are fertile bees, and worker bee are sterile, and queen bee are also fertile. Honey. Honey is a highly nutritious food which is used for the following purposes. Number A, honey is fat-free, cholesterol-free, and sodium-free food stuff for human beings. It has medicinal value, so it is mainly used in Ayurvedic medicines as laxative, antiseptic, and sedative. Cinnamon, it can be used to treat mental weakness, mental fatigue, and tuberculosis, stomach disease, heart disorder, and eyes disease. Number D, it contains pinosembrine, antioxidant that improves brain functioning. It also strengthens our immune system. They are the some purposes of honeybee. Wax production and its uses. Worker bee produce beeswax from their glands on their abdomen. This wax is collected above the hive, forming its walls. Number 3, bee royal jelly. It is an expensive substance secreted by hypopharyngeal salivary gland of worker bees, and it is used primarily in the treatment of bacterial and fungal infections. It is believed to have some anti-aging properties. See number. It is used to make skin care products. There are some examples. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Sushant. Give him a big round of applause once again. Actually, it's a matter of interest. How much interested you are for preparation of slide, how much interested you are for practice. For practice, you need to practice more and more at home. Then only you can practice, you can give the best here. Understood or not? So, honeybee chapter was completed last time, right? So, you might have done already the exercise also. Yes or no? So which chapter is running nowadays? Force and motion. So force and motion's last portion will complete today. Then tomorrow we'll begin new chapter, that is pressure. Okay, pressure, heat, ICT, then classification of elements and chemical reactions. Still 5 more chapters to go. Okay, thank you.